What's up, everybody? This is Danny with Growing Together, a garden story where beginner gardeners come to grow. So in today's Tuesday Fig Bit, we're going to talk about this guy. This is my OG. This is the first fig that I bought back in fall of 2024. It is a Texas everbearing. So this being its first year with me, I believe it is a second year fig. It is putting on numerous figs. You can see the growth on it has been kind of strange. It's a little spindly. It's kind of all over the place with its growth. I took some cuttings off of this guy when I was putting it in this pot because the limbs were growing down. Those cuttings have turned into other figs, and that one right there is one of my offspring off of the cuttings off of the OG. So this guy's looking very good. Being a second year, I'm excited about it, and I just harvested this guy. So this is my first Texas everbearing fig. I'm very impressed with how large this fig is. It is 3-4 times bigger than any figs that I've gotten off of my newer trees. So I'm very excited about it. One thing I do want to point out is it has a very large eye. Now, if you're somewhere where it rains in the summer, this might be a problem. Here in East Texas, I do not see this as being an issue for me. We've gotten so little rain, it's crazy. So we're gonna do a taste test on this Texas everbearing fig. We'll see how he holds up in our Texas dry, hot weather. All right, so let's give our Texas everbearing a taste test. I only get one shot at this, obviously, so I hope I'm getting it in the picture, but let's see how he looks. So, oh my goodness. I'm not sure the camera can do that justice, but it is just ooey gooey, honey, sugar. I'm not exactly sure what this one is going to taste like. But man, I think I nailed the timing on the ripeness of this fig. So here we go. This one's so big, it's going to take 2 bites, at least on camera. So let's try it out. Oh my God. I can't even explain that. It's not berry. I think that is just straight up sugar. That's like eating some kind of gooey sugar candy. That is absolutely phenomenal. I'll just go ahead and say it. That is absolutely phenomenal right there. So good. Texas everbearing, very large fig, absolutely amazing flavor. And I think I nailed it on the ripeness and the timing, as it is so ooey gooey delicious. But I wanted to share my very first Texas everbearing fig with all of you. I hope you enjoyed it, but I know you didn't enjoy it as much as I did. Absolutely delicious. If you don't have a fig, go out and get one. I'm getting addicted to these guys. I hope you do too. Hey everybody, never stop learning, never stop growing. Thanks for watching. Holy mackerel, this thing is good. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm going to be able to share this with my wife. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. Absolutely delicious.